camel song. Everybody loves the camel song. What's wrong with you? Don't be the straw that breaks the camel's back. Be the straw that feeds the camel. Sometimes a camel needs a camel snack. It's everybody's favorite Christmas mammal. Ho, 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 everybody loves the camel song. Everybody loves the camel song. Everybody loves the camel song. What's wrong with you? In Star Wars 5, Luke rode a frozen tauntaun. It had a face just like a camel. The tauntaun did not have a hump on its back. It had a seat for Luke, played by Mark Hamill.